when it's time to replace your battery, which terminal you remove first, the negative or the positive? The rule is you make sure you remove the negative first. Never remove the positive first. And when you install the positive first and install the negative last. Okay, the reason why, if you use a naked wrench like this, no insulation on it, or you have to use a vice grip or a plier, because sometimes those terminals are strips, it applies for both the side terminal and top terminal, in case you have top terminal. Because if you start to remove the positive first, and your hand touches it goes like this and touches the ground, you're gonna have a lot of spark here, and this is not safe. It's dangerous and might damage your computer. So you remove the negative first. Okay. In my case, I have an insulated wrench. So, and as you can see, even the bolt here or the screw is stripped already, but I was able to remove it anyway. So you remove the negative first. This way you are safe not to touch anything. If you touch the chassis here by mistake, nothing is gonna happen. Even if you have a bare wrench like this, if you touch touches this, nothing happen, as you can see. Okay, negative to negative, nothing gonna happen. But if this is positive and you go like this on a chassis, you might cause a fire. The spark is not something you wanna do here. So the negative goes out first, and the positive goes out second. And again, when you install the positive first, finish with the negative. One more thing I just want to bring up to you. A lot of people ask me about the tire brusher. Always you find the tire brusher on the side of the door. Very much every car has it. This one, sometimes it's on the door itself, sometimes on this side here, on the panel. Okay. So this car here, it's a GM. So you can see it. It's right here. You can see the size of the tire. It came from factory, and it tells you the tire pressure for the front and rear. You can see 32 psi, 32 psi, and spare tire. Even here it mentions spare. It's you can keep it at 35 psi. It gives you the size of the tire. P for passenger, 245 / 70 R16. Same for the rear, and same for the spare tire. So this is the tire size, and this is very much the tire pressure you keep on your car. So every car has a different test, and if you notice here, it says cold tire pressure. Make sure the tire is cold, not hot. Like, don't check it after you drive for like a couple hours and then you check it. Just wait until it gets cold and then you check it. Cold pressure test. Okay, a cold pressure check. So make sure you check your door for the tire pressure, and pay attention to how you remove your battery terminal. Thank you for watching.